as I promised, here's a video about crypto mining. I will tell you how I do it, how I mine crypto on my laptop, and I will show you how you can do it too. So let's go to the video. What up guys, my name is Phil and welcome to our bucket list channel. I'm back from Portugal. It was pretty nice vacation, so sorry for that this week will be only this one video, but next week hopefully again 2 videos, because I'm preparing travel videos from Portugal trip. But today it will be about crypto and especially crypto mining. And I want to say I'm not an expert, I'm just a guy who wants to mine crypto on his laptop. So I've managed to start mining and I want to share my experiences with you, and it's actually not that hard, and you will see it from my perspective as a bit advanced user or almost a beginner. And I'm mining it even on my laptop, so yeah, maybe if you have a gaming laptop or gaming PC, you can try it too. First, you need to set up your own wallet where you will be sending the crypto. So you can create software mask like Metamask, which I use and I recommend it, or even a hardware wallet, which you have to buy, but it's more secure than a software wallet. If you already know how to set up your wallet or you already have a hardware wallet, feel to skip ahead to next section where I talk about crypto mining. So go to Metamask, Metamask here.io, download now. Here you will install it for your browser. I'm using Brave browser. If you want to know more about Brave browser, it's actually crypto browser and I have done a video to it. It is mentioned in video about passive income in cryptocurrencies. You can check it here. And you install your Metamask. It's actually extension for your browser. I've already installed it. And you have your extensions here. You have your Metamask here. You click on Metamask and here you will probably need to set up your wallet, and you need to remember a recovery phrase which will give it to you, and write it down somewhere on a paper or somewhere safely, because when you lose your password, this recovery phrase will help you to recover your wallet and you don't lose your crypto. So when you log into your Metamask account, it looks something like this. Here you have your Ethereum holdings and this is your Ethereum address. So basically we are now ready to go. If you are new on this channel guys, welcome to our bucket list squad, and I would really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button, like button and share this video with your friends so our community gets bigger and bigger. If you want to see my full bucket list, it's in the description below, and let's continue in the video. Now let's move to the miner himself. As I said, I'm actually not a pro in this. I only want to show you how I do it and how you can do it too. And you actually don't need to be tech expert to start a crypto miner on your own PC. So I will be talking about Ethereum mining because I think it's the most profitable and it has the best future, Ethereum, and the best potential to grow in a price. But if you follow this, almost the same methods apply for the other cryptocurrencies, so you can mine Dogecoin if you want, for example, and don't do that please. So we need to download our miner. I'm using PhoenixMiner, so let's find PhoenixMiner. You click here, download now, and here you have PhoenixMiner for Windows. And maybe your browser can block this because it's not a proper file. And when this happens, you need to go to settings, into downloads. I don't know if you are using Brave browser or other browser, and here you will have the file and you need to allow it to download, and it's safe. I have it already installed and nothing happened. So when you have it installed, you need to unzip it, you need to copy it somewhere, wherever you want. And now let's find start miner. And when you found this start miner, click right button on your mouse. And here in Czech we call it upravit. In English it's edit or something. So click edit, and here you have the setup for your miner. I will copy this in the description below. And this tells your miner how much of the power of your GPU it should use. So here, if you don't want to have 100% of your GPU, you can write down a different number, a different percentage. And I also need to mention that crypto mining wears the hardware and it's using a graphic card really hard. So basically your card can get less effective when you are doing crypto mining. So be aware of that if you want to try crypto mining, that it can slow down your graphic card. And you can see here some random words, numbers. Well, actually you need to join on mining pool, because Ethereum you can find only one block in a time. And a lot of people are competing to find the block, and if you join to a pool, it has a lot bigger chance to find this block which you need to mine, and then it will split the reward between the miners, and you get the percentage based on your power. So not try to mine alone, you will probably not mine anything. So when you need to join to a pool, you can see it, for example, on this side where you have a lot of pools. I'm actually in 2miners.com. I don't even know why I've joined to this pool. Basically, I think it doesn't matter really. Here you have minimal payment, which you have to mine before they will pay it to you. And here you have pool fee. And here you have the hash rate of the pool. So when you want to choose, for example, the first one, Ethermine.org, you click on it, there you click on start mining, and here you will choose the address which you want to mine. Here you also can see the recommended miners. I have the PhoenixMiner, so if you want to read something about it, you can see it here. So I have this address here for 2 miners, and I'm mining on this pool. And here you need to set up your wallet. So when I click on Metamask here is my wallet address. So I click, it's copied, and now you will paste it here, and you are basically ready to go. When you want to search for your revenue, you go to page of your pool, you paste here your wallet address, and now here you can see your unpaid balance and your current hash rate. Hash rate is basically your GPU power. So when we have everything set up and ready, we can start mining. You just click on start miner and be prepared, it takes a lot of power, so hopefully it will not crash my OBS. And here you can see it's already starting. Here you can see it's connected to 2 miners pool. So here you can see your hash rate, the power, and here is actually also your GPU. And when it pop up some green message, that means that some block has been mined, and the percentage of the power which you provide for this block you will receive to your unpaid balance. So this was everything for crypto mining, and hopefully I will help someone to start mining Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. And also let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next, like maybe crypto trading, or my holdings in crypto, or just something else. So let me know in the comments below. Before the end, I would really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video. Shut the fuck up! You see, when you start a crypto miner, it's really loud. So I need to wait for it to get a bit colder and a bit less louder. Are we still recording? Yep, we are still recording. Hey, come on! Enough! Okay, I think we are ready. Oh my god, I came from Portugal to here, and I thought that Oh man, there's so hot in here, like 30 degrees or something. I'm dying. Dying. Portugal, we had like 20 to 25 degrees. It was so nice. And I've came here and I'm basically dying. And it's not even the mid of the summer. I will die probably during this summer. So if you will not see any more videos on this channel, I'm sorry, but I died due to overheat. I don't know how people can survive in countries in Africa, for example, or in India, Saudi Arabia. I don't know how they can survive here. It's crazy.